Hey guys, welcome back to BNCRC once again. Bet you can't guess what's in this unboxing. Uh, yeah, I didn't get this one in the shipping box. Picked this up at a local hobby shop. Uh, Went in there to get a gatekeeper and came out with this instead. The Element TrailWalker Black Edition with, as the hobby shop guy called it, the scratch and sniff paint. I like the sound of that. I'm going to refer to it as that from now on. It's a scratch and weather paint. Starts off black. Oh, yeah. By the way, it's already out of the box. There's the truck. Usually we save that to a little bit later on. Nobody cares about this other stuff anyway. What little I know of this truck, it's a pretty damn good one. There's lots of really good information out there on this truck. RC Girl did a nice unboxing of not this, but the Ecto. Tom Lee RC did, I believe he did this one and the Ecto. Those guys are going to give you a lot better information than I am, probably. But that's okay. That ain't what you're tuning in here for, right? XP digital radio, throttle, steering, trim, reversing. I think that's, endpoint adjustments and dual rates. That's a little better than what you usually get. Is it just a 2-channel though? I believe that is just a 2-channel radio. Nice that they give you the endpoint cell. That's not something you see all the time. Sorry, sinuses are a little fucked up. Huh. There's extra body posts there. There's a big battery mount. It comes factory equipped with a shorty pack mounted sideways in the front part of the frame rail, right where I would put it if I was going to fuck with this truck and modify it myself. Extra headlight lenses. Different body posts for an SUV type body, apparently. I have the manual here for this, but I don't have the actual manual for the truck. I don't know where that is. We unboxed it at lunchtime today at work because my co-worker Tom is an RC guy and he wanted to see this thing. And I was pretty excited to see it too. I didn't want to wait till I got home tonight. There's a little package with mirrors here somewhere too that go on it. So that you can go out in the woods and snap them off it. Pretty good looking front bumper. They're alright feeling licensed tires. The tread pattern is probably not aggressive enough for what I'm going to do. Has some good looking bead locks. They are plastic, but they are definitely bead locks. So I can take them tires off and put them on something else, or just open them up and add some weight to it if I want to. It's got nice aluminum threaded body shocks on it. I wouldn't really expect anything less from a Team Associated rig. They're kind of known for good shocks. Oh, come on. Nice little roll bar, door handles. Oh, lights. Fucking lights. LED headlights wired in. I will run them one time, and then they will be unplugged and taped up inside the body or removed because I don't really care for things that eat the juice out of my battery. Nice metal links. Nice wide skid plate. Lots of room there to mount your electronics. Waterproof receiver box. Nice to see something that comes with a separate speed control and receiver now. Everything seems to be that 2-in-1 shit. The shocks are really good looking. Behind the axle steering, so it doesn't hang up on shit. That's a pretty good point. These come from the factory with a 5% overdrive to the front, which means the front wheels spin faster than the back wheels. Help you dig up over shit. It also came with an extra set of gears to make it like 12% front overdrive. If you want to take no overdrive, you have to go and buy a different set of gears. Pay extra for them, whatever. Paid enough for it already. It was $420 after taxes. Pretty cool truck. Like I said, there's a lot of better unboxings out there that will give you more detailed information on it than what I do in my half-ass thing. But I've got a shorty pack charging Got some double A's right here from another rig that are going to go in that radio, and we're going to get it right out on the trail and see if this camera works for recording out on the trail. We're going to do that momentarily. Probably upload it as a separate video, but there you'll have it. That's it for me for right now. I'll be right back with you shortly, though, as long as it don't start raining like a motherfucker again.